we're going to look at the angles in a triangle and what they do. And when three angles of any triangle are placed together, they always form a straight line. I hope you were going to try that little investigation in class. You take any triangle, just make one, cut the corners off, and then put the corners together. And you'll see that they form 180 degrees, just like that, a straight line. And from that, it's not a proof, but lots of people could do it. And you could say that these angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Now let's take a look at how we use it. Okay, so you're going to have a problem like this. This is triangle ABC. Angle A is 70 degrees. Angle B is 45 degrees. And the problem is to find the unknown angle. What is that angle X there? Well, all you have to do is take these two angles, add them together. And if you add them together, you'll get 115 degrees. And then if you go 180 minus that 115, you'll get your answer. X must be 65 degrees. Now you could try it and go 65 plus 45, that's 110. Plus 70, hey, it equals 180 degrees. But always adding the other two and going 180 minus will give you the right answer. You've got your statement here for X being 65 degrees, and you always need the reasons. Angles sum in a triangle, and it's very good to name the triangle that you're working with. Let's look at another triangle. This one's called an acute triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Let's look at this example. Here we've got angle D, 130 degrees. Angle F is 20 degrees. And we've got an unknown angle here, up here, X. Well, we just do exactly the same thing as we did in the last question. We add these 130 and 20 degrees together, and then we go 180 minus, and that's going to give us our answer. Well, 130 plus 20 is 150. And 180 minus 150 means that X, this unknown angle, must be 30 degrees. And the reason is because the angles sum in triangle DEF. You don't have to write they sum to 180. That's just given. And this is exactly the way you have to write the reason. If you don't write the reason, bad things happen. You don't get credit. And so make sure you do. You just need that. Okay. Now, we've got some questions we're going to do. If you're just looking at the video, you could pause it and try these questions right here. And that'd be good. That's exercise 4. And then we have 4 more questions that combine all the stuff that we've learned so far. Let's take a look at that. You could pause the video and try this. Now here's exercise 5. Determine the unknown angles. And do it in alphabetical order. Figure out what X is, and then give a reason. It could be angles in a straight line, vertically opposite, angles sum in a triangle. After you find X, then try and find the next letter, Y, and use a reason. Here's an X and Y, and here's one where you find X and Y, and then Z. Well, here you're going to find X first, then you're going to find Y, and then you're going to find Z. You're going to find Z after you do that. And yeah, that's it. That's the 2 exercises you can try. Okay. And that's it for now.